Welcome to Nerd Evolution List. Today I'm going to share the list of top 10 movies of Keanu Reeves through the years. So without wasting much time, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and let's begin the video. Number 10 is My Own Private Idaho, which was released in 1991. Movie has IMDb score of 7 out of 10 and it's 80% rotten. My Own Private Idaho is independent adventure movie starring River Phoenix and Keanu Reeves, two best friends living on the same streets of Portland as hustlers embarks on a journey of self-discovery and find their relationship stumbling along the way. Very touching, makes me emotional whenever I think about it. Loved the movie and the chemistry between River and Keanu. I have a soft spot for this movie in my heart. Number 9 is Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure, which was released in 1989. Movie has IMDb score of 6.9 out of 10 and it's 82% rotten. Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure is science fiction comedy movie starring Keanu Reeves and Alex Winter. High school teenagers Bill and Ted struggle to finish a history assignment. Later, when they meet a man from the future, the two friends get his help in completing their assignment. No matter how silly this movie can become, it is still a hilarious and engaging comedy and an utter delight from start to finish. The screenplay was intelligent, original, surprisingly funny and witty. Number 8 is Bram Stoker's Dracula, which was released in 1992. Movie has IMDb score of 7.4 out of 10 and it's 78% rotten. Bram Stoker's Dracula is gothic horror movie starring Gary Oldman, Winona Ryder, Anthony Hopkins and Keanu Reeves. When Elisabetta commits suicide and estranged Vlad Dracula swears to avenge her death, things take a turn when he meets Mina and takes her to be the reincarnation of Elisabetta. Such a classic and legendary film. This is with a perfect storyline, soundtrack, cast, action as well as emotion. A film that is ageless, way ahead of its time and even with age is still perfect. Number 7 is River's Edge, which was released in 1986. Movie has IMDb score of 6.9 out of 10 and it's 89% rotten. River's Edge is crime movie starring Crispin Glover and Keanu Reeves. A high school slacker commits a shocking act and proceeds to let his friends in on the secret. However, the friends' reaction is almost as ambiguous and perplexing as the crime itself. First saw this movie in high school. It matches my sick, twisted mind. Wonderful movie. Crispin Glover, being the interesting character he is in real life, brings his special brand of messed up to the role. If you are into mental thriller, this is retro awesome. Number 6 is Always Be My Maybe, which was released in 2019. Movie has IMDb score of 6.8 out of 10 and it's 89% rotten. Always Be My Maybe is romantic comedy movie starring Ali Wong, Randall Park and Keanu Reeves. Childhood sweethearts have a falling out and don't speak for 15 years, only reconnecting as adults when Sasha runs into Marcus in San Francisco. Although the old sparks are still there, the couple live in different worlds. I love this movie. I had no expectations going into this, but was very happy and pleasantly surprised. Number 5 is Much Ado About Nothing, which was released in 1993. Movie has IMDb score of 7.3 out of 10 and it's 90% rotten. Much Ado About Nothing is romantic comedy movie starring Kenneth Branagh, Michael Keaton, Robert Sean Leonard, Keanu Reeves and Emma Thompson. Hero and Claudio, a much in love young couple who are set to get married, trick Benedict and Beatrice into confessing to their real feelings for each other. Their plan works without a hitch. Beautiful direction and production is amazing and perfect scenery. Strong acting from everyone, smoothly delivered and very witty dialogue spoken as if in today's manner. Number 4 is Parenthood, which was released in 1989. Movie has IMDb score of 7.1 out of 10 and it's 92% rotten. Parenthood is family comedy movie starring Steve Martin, Tom Hulce, Rick Moranis, Martha Plimpton and Keanu Reeves. Gil Buckman tries hard to balance his personal and professional life while dealing with the problems of his three children. His worries increase when he discovers that his wife is pregnant again. My go-to movie, feel-good movie, old school family and so much fun. This generation should watch this. No computers, no video games, no iPads, just pure family greatness. Number 3 is Speed, which was released in 1994. Movie has IMDb score of 7.3 out of 10 and it's 94% rotten. Speed is action movie starring Keanu Reeves, Dennis Hopper and Sandra Bullock. A disgruntled dangerous man plants a bomb in an elevator. When his mission fails, he plants a bomb in a local bus and threatens to set it off unless his demand is met. This movie is top notch. If you are a fan of action movies, then this is certainly a must buy for your movie collection. Number 2 is The Matrix, which was released in 1999. Movie has IMDb score of 8.7 out of 10 and it's 88% rotten. The Matrix is science fiction action movie starring Keanu Reeves, Lawrence Fishburne, Carrie-Anne Moss and Hugo Weaving. Thomas Anderson, a computer programmer, is led to fight an underground war against powerful computers who have constructed his entire reality with a system called the Matrix. The Matrix is one of the best classic science fiction action film ever. And number 1 is John Wick Chapter 4, which was released in 2023. Movie has IMDb score of 9.4 out of 10 and it's 91% rotten. John Wick Chapter 4 is neo-noir action thriller movie starring Keanu Reeves, Donnie Yen and Bill Skarsgård. With the price on his head ever increasing, legendary hitman John Wick takes his fight against the high table global as he seeks out the most powerful players in the underworld from New York to Paris to Japan to Berlin. In my opinion, this is the best John Wick film so far. The only negative I can think of is that it seemed to run a little long, but top to bottom, this film was outstanding. Thank you for watching. If you like my work, don't forget to hit the like button. We are aiming 1000 likes for this video. Which Keanu Reeves movie you like most among all these movies? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for weekly content ahead.